Steel amplifies noise when it vibrates. But we applied 2 small panels of Eastwood Thermo-Coustic to the inside of this Mustang door skin. Listen for the difference in the sound when we strike it again with the hammer. Here it is again, side by side. Thermo-Coustic also prevents heat outside a vehicle from bleeding into the cabin. Here, we're heating up a test panel with a propane torch and monitoring its temperature with an infrared thermometer. On a steamy summer show day, imagine how quickly the interior vehicle heats up once the engine is running. After only about 25 seconds of flame, the metal panel heats up to around 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's try that again after we apply a patch of Thermo-Coustic. Notice how readily the Thermo-Coustic adheres to the opposite side of the test panel. Right away, you can see that the heat penetration indicated by the infrared thermometer is significantly lessened. Look how slowly the readout climbs. After roughly the same amount of time, the temperature only reaches 92 degrees Fahrenheit.